Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Code Switching 2020, where we teach indigenous languages. Today we'll continue with our speedy lessons, looking at lesson number 20, Poeletso le tekolo ya bobedi. Revision and assessment number 2. By the end of this lesson, learners should be able to revise vocabulary from lesson number 11 to 19, read and understand a short passage, apply grammar correctly, answer comprehension and grammar questions, speak confidently about everyday situation. Vocabulary revision. I advise you to start from lesson number 11 if you haven't watched the previous videos up until lesson number 19, because some of the vocabulary I'm not going to write a translation into English. So if you haven't watched those videos, please go back so that you can be able to understand revision number 20. Thank you. Time. Misong. Mosegare. Manjibua. Voshego. Lehono. Gosasa. Maabane. Days of the week. Moshupuluo. Labobedi. Laboraro. Labone. Labohlano. Mokibelo. La morena. Month. Perejong. Divukwani. Hlakula. Moranang. Mupitlo. Phupu. Mosegamanye. Phato. Liwedi. Diphalani. Dibatsela. Mantule. Weather. Pula. Phefo. Maru. Letšatši. Go fiša. Go tonya. Seasons. Selemo. Marega. Serutwane. Lehlabula. Clothing. Hempe. Vorojo. Jasi. Dieta. Kefa. Home. Ntlo. ntlo, gae, gae, boapeelo, boapeelo, phaphuši, phaphuši, lefesetere, lefesetere, lebati, lebati, shopping, lebenkele, lebenkele, moreki, moreki, morekiši, morekiši, theko, theko, tšhelete, tšhelete, transport, koloi, koloi, thekisi, thekisi, bese, bese, tereni, tereni, sefofane, sefofane. Reading passage. Leina la ka ke Neo, le hono ke mošupologo. Ke tsoga mesong ka iri ya botshelela. Ke apara hempe ye tšhweu le borokgo bjo bontsho. Ke ya sekolong ka thekisi ge ke boa gae. Ke ya lebenkeleng go reka borotho le maswi. Mantšubua ke dira mošomo wa gae gomme ka robala bošego. Pause the video and try to read the passage. English translation. My name is Neo. Today is Monday. I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I wear a white shirt and black trousers. I go to school by taxi. When I return home, I go to shop to buy bread and milk. In the evening, I do my homework and go to bed at night. Sepedi. Leina la ka ke Neo. Le hono ke mošupologo. Ke tsoga mesong ka iri ya botshelela. Ke apara hempe ye tšhweu le borokgo bjo bontsho. Ke ya sekolong ka thekisi. Ge ke boa gae, ke ya lebenkeleng go reka borotho le maswi. Mantšibua ke dira mošomo wa gae gomme ka robala bošego. Grammar review. Today we revised talking about time, days of the week, month, weather, using ka Labohlano, ka Phato, ka koloi, ke apere, ke ya. Those are the lessons that you must go and check from lesson number 11 up until 19. Assessment. Answer the following 10 marks, which is 10 questions, in the comment section. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Gotonya means A. It is hot. B. It is cold. C. It is windy. Number 2. Which day comes after Labone? 1. Laboraro. 2. Labohlano. 3. Mokibelo. Number 3. Which season is the coldest? A. Selemo. B. Sirutwana. C. Marega. Question number 4. What is hempe? A. A shirt. B. Jacket. C. Shoes. Number 5. Translate. Ke ya sekolong ka thekisi. Ke ya sekolong ka thekisi. Number 6. Lebenkele means A. School. B. Shop. C. Hospital. Number 7. Complete the sentence. Ke apere. A. Hempe. B. Reka. C. Pula. Number 7. Which month comes after Phato? A. Liwedi. B. Diphalane. C. Dibatsela. Translate. Gona pula. Gona pula. Gona pula. Write this in Sepedi. I live at home. I live at home. Write your answers in the comment section. Speaking challenge. Read these sentences aloud. Read them, then after continue with the video and check if we are correct. Le hono wa fisha. Ke apere jase. Ke ya moshomong ka koloi. Ke ya lebenkeleng. Ka mokibelo ke ya khutša. Homework. Write 8 sentences about your daily life using what you have learned from lesson 11 to 19. Try to include a day of the week, a month, the weather, your clothes, your home, transport. Write 8 sentences in the comment section. Did you know? Research shows that revising information within a few days of learning it helps learners remember it much longer. That's why every 10th lesson in this course is dedicated to revision and assessment. Word of the day. Kgalema. Discipline. Kgalema. 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 Example. Go kgalema go tliša katlego sekolong. Discipline brings success at school. Go kgalema go tliša katlego sekolong. Go kgalema go tliša katlego sekolong. Go kgalema go tliša katlego sekolong. Kgalema. Discipline. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please go to Code Switch in 2020. Thank you.